everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is primarily going to be focusing on these little presents, and it's using the Joyous Noel 6x6 glimmer paper pack, where you get Merry Merlot, Copper and Tranquil Tide, as you can see there. Isn't it pretty and sturdy? No glitter comes off. It is adorable and perfect for Christmas. So we are using the Warm Hearted stamp set, and we're going to be using the Merry Christmas, which I know you all love, as do I. So we're going to be starting by doing a present, and as you can see here, I've already started two. And the third is the Tranquil Tide, and all I've done is done some snow adhesive on the back, as you can see, and I'm just going to wrap the white baker's twine around before cutting it, putting it taut and placing it like that, and then you're just going to do another piece around the middle, like so. How simple was that? And it creates the effect of the ribbon around a present. So I've already heat set the base of crumb cake, which is a standard C6 size, and that was heat embossed in white, the sentiments, and I'm just going to pop the presents up on dimensionals. So what I did is I covered some of the ends when I pop these up, just so I know they're nice and secure. However, the snow adhesive is going to hold it on perfectly, and pop the middle one down, and then on either side I'm just going to pop these ones up on double dimensionals, just so it has some differing heights to the middle one. As you can see, there's two dimensionals stacked on top of each other, and I'm just going to put that down like so, and then finally a piece of copper one, and I'm just going to use one dimension on this one just to have it off side like so. Isn't that effective? But of course, no present is finished without a bow. So I'm going to bring in my Tombow glue and do a teeny tiny dot of liquid glue at the top of the parcels, as you can see there. And using the same baker's twine, all I've done is created little bows, as you can see, and that's just going to sit on top like so. And a teeny tiny one for the teeny tiny present, like that. And there you have today's card. Why don't you pop into the description bar below, where you can find the full list of items used in today's card, as well as finding where to purchase them. Why not like, comment and subscribe, and share to your social media to show everybody how quick and simple it is to make such a pretty card to give to a loved one or a friend. I will see you around. Bye.